Success story. How a global EMS manufacturer improved their time to market with PathWave manufacturing analytics.
Next, I'd like to share another success story from a global EMS customer that manufactures aerospace board for its customers. The challenge that this EMS customer was facing is the long time to market, taking as long as 18 months. There are multiple builds before a product hits mass production stage. During each build, test measurements are extracted, computed, and analyzed manually, in hope to improve the first pass yield in the next subsequent build. These manual processes are tedious, time-consuming, and prone to human error. Process Capability Index, also known as CPK, is a typical measure of test stability. The higher the CPK value, the more stable the test is. Obviously, one will focus on tests with low CPK value and try to improve them, which will eventually help improve the first pass yield. However, debugging these tests with minimum information other than knowing their CPK are low leads to extended system downtime on the production floor just for test fine-tuning. This iteration of manual test measurement collection, analysis, fine-tuning downtime had a significant negative impact to the product's time to market. Similarly, using the demo dataset to showcase how this EMS customer used PMA to overcome their challenges. Test measurement data from testers are flowing into PMA servers real-time, and within the servers, batch jobs are running in the background. Under Digital Quality Test Result Analog tab, there is a table with test names populated and their CPK's value calculated. Information presented in tables allows user to sort them easily. User can also apply filter. We can sort the CPK columns to identify tests with lower CPK. Taking test R319 as example, CPK is low at 0.51. PMA provides visualization of the measurement trend in the scatter plot on the right. We can see that the measurement trend is pretty stable, but is near to the lower limit, resulting in low CPK. In this scenario, one of the possible actions is to adjust the limits rather than redebugging the test with different test options. User can download the measurement trend as supporting document to seek approval for this limit change, especially for this scenario of aerospace board with quality of utmost importance. Taking R61 test as another example, we can observe that the measurement trend is unstable. User can then try to debug this test with different test options. In PMA, there is a force failure module, which performs analysis on no trouble file scenario. We determine force failure when the board fails and then pass in the next run within 20 minutes of the previous failure. This is an assumption made that this failed board would not have gone through repair within 20 minutes. It is just being retested and passed. Do take note that this duration of 20 minutes is user configurable under application setting. Pareto of the force failure is presented to user. Reviewing the force failure trend and take the appropriate next course of action. In this scenario, we can observe the measurement is stable before this date. The deteriorate of measurement is likely due to worn out probe. Probe should be replaced immediately to prevent further force failure. Remember, reducing force failure means first pass yield improvement. As a result, an average of 8 engineering hours are saved for each test debug iteration. Engineers can now focus on tasks to improve production efficiency instead of spending hours just to process data. They have achieved good first pass yield and are confident that their time to market is shortened to 12 months, a huge reduction of 6 months from their typical 18 months duration. This EMS customer has deployed PMA to 2 other sites globally.
PathWave Manufacturing Analytics. Build it better with actionable insights.